Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back here to Haywood Valley Raceway, hometown track of Chase Family Racing. And we are continuing to work on getting the track up and running smooth. So far, so good. Made some adjustments and putting things in place here. And seeing if we can get some racing going. Let's see who we got up in here. The old, big. We got a Matchbox stock car and a Bone Shaker. $7.99 for the Bone Shaker. It was in lane 1, which is the inside lane. So now we'll put him in lane 2. Oh man. Okay. So now we got the Matchbox in lane 1, Bone Shaker lane 2. Let's see if the Bone Shaker, what's the time to be, what, 7:89? Well, that was a crappy filming job, but... Oh, jeez. Bone Shaker didn't finish. Oh my God. It's always something. Let me see. I have this in place for some support. All right, let's see. The Matchbox does pretty well. So this is the Matchbox. Nice, smooth, quiet roller. And we'll put them up against another Matchbox. So we'll put the Corvette. We'll put the stock car lane 2. Corvette lane 1. Well, something's happening. Cars jump off the track, so let's get rid of this for a sec. See if that makes a difference. Come on. Oh, so frustrating. Just when you think you got it, you don't. Such is life. $827 to an $828 for the Corvette. And nobody fell off the track. Just trying to see if I can figure that out. Let me start them from right here. See if there's any bump. Well, I guess moving that support box actually made a difference. Okay. Well, anyways, that's where we're at. And continue to plug away, keep dialing it in, find problem areas and fix them. Slowly adding a little bit more diorama to try to build back the mountain down to the downtown area. So I'll continue to work on that, and hopefully we can get some real racing going soon. All right. Actually, let's see. We'll try to run something that's actually kind of fast and see. Hey, we got these cars back from Flips. So let's try this 50-gram Corvette. This thing is a ripper. Let's see what we can get out of him. Lane 1. Seven, 4, 4. All right, 744, lane 1. That's a pretty good time. Now let's see how he does in lane 2. Seven, 4, 4. Son of a. Okay, this is annoying. Extend this thing out. 7, 4, 4. And he's at a 749, falling off the track. Let's see. He came through here. Oh, there's a little split. Oh yeah. All right. Well. Boo, whatever, I'll fix that. All right, so the journey continues here at Haywood Valley Raceway, and the struggle is real, and that's about it. We'll keep plugging away, and we'll see you on the track. All right. Be cool. All right, hold it straight.
Like this?
No, not like that. Straight.
Like that?
Still not right.
Like this?
Never mind.
Like this?